Hi students, in this video we are going to solve problems related to integration using trigonometric identities. This problem is related to the concept that we saw in the previous video. Now I read the question. Evaluate integration of dx divided by 4 into cos x plus 3 into sin x. Here in this type of question, what we do is, if cos x presents here means we will try to bring sin x here. Here sin x presents, hence in place of 3 we will try to bring cos, so that we can use sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is sin a plus b formula can be used. So we will assume that 4 is equal to r sin theta, and similarly 3 is equal to r cos x. So you just look at this, we are assuming 4 is equal to r into sin theta. From this expression we can say sin theta is equal to 4 by r. Using this expression, when we draw the triangle, we get opposite divided by hypotenuse. The side opposite to angle theta is 4 and the hypotenuse value is r. And then based on here, 3 can be written as r into cos theta, from which we can say cos theta is equal to 3 divided by r. Using this we can write the adjacent side of the theta, that is angle, that is 3, and the hypotenuse is r. Now using Pythagoras theorem we can calculate the length of the hypotenuse, that turns out to be 5. And using the sin theta divided by cos theta we can calculate tan theta, from which we can say theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3 and r value is equal to 5. Now in place of 4 we can substitute this r value, right? So the question becomes dx divided by 5 into sin theta in place of 4 cos x plus 5 cos theta into sin x. Now this 5, these two 5s can be taken outside the integration, and then we have sin theta sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, that is in place of a we have theta, in place of b we have x. So we can write sin a plus b formula, that is theta plus x. Now we can 1 divided by sin theta plus x can be written as cosecant theta plus x. Integration of cosecant x is log mod cosecant x minus cot x. In place of x we have theta plus x, so we just substituted those values, and this 1 by 5 is written as it is. And then in place of theta we can substitute this tan inverse of 4 by 3, so we got the final answer. I hope you understand this problem. If you understand the previous video concepts clearly, solving this problem will be very easy to you. Now we will move on to next question. The next question is, evaluate integration of dx divided by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x whole square. The same concept that we learned in the previous videos can be applied here. Here we have sin x. In place of 2 we must have cos trigonometric function. Here we have cos function. In place of 3, if we get sin function, we can use sin a plus b formula. So what we do is, we are writing 2 is equal to r cos theta, using which we can write cos theta is equal to 2 by r. Using this expression we can draw the diagram. Adjacent side of the angle is 2 and the hypotenuse is r, and we can assume here we need sin theta, so 3 is equal to r sin theta. Now we can write this as sin theta is equal to 3 by r. When we apply this concept to this triangle, the opposite side becomes 3. Now using these two values and applying Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the length of hypotenuse, that is r is equal to square root of 3. Now we can calculate tan theta using these two sin theta and cos theta value, that is comes out to be 3 by 2, from which we can say theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 2. Hence in place of 2 we can substitute, in place of r we can substitute root 13 and then cos theta. In place of 3 we can substitute root 3 sin theta. So when we substitute these two values in the question, we get this expression, and this square is as it is. Now root square, this root 13 can be taken out as common. It will become a plus 13. Sorry, I wrote this as root 13, actually it must be 13 only, that root 13 will not come. 1 minute students, because when we take root 13 out of the square, it will become 13, not square root of 13. I made mistake here. So root 13, now we can apply sin a plus b formula. So after applying sin a plus b formula, we can bring this 1 divided by sin x plus theta whole square can be written as cosecant square x plus theta. Now we have the direct formula for integration of cosecant square theta, that is cot theta minus cot theta. Here in the answer again we need to write this root 13 as 13, and we, in place of theta, we have to substitute the corresponding value that we already calculated. So we got the final answer. I hope you understand this problem. Thank you students. Thanks for your cooperation.